smell goodness. Thank you so much for all of the subscribers. Another 200 subscribers were added to our channel. Thank you so much. Today we will be making grilled chicken a la Mang Inasal. Okay? Please don't forget to watch until the end because we have this 1 or 2 mystery ingredient that we don't usually write in the ingredients. So you will stay tuned until the end. Alright. And also thank you for the comments from Michi. And also the comment of Lian. Thank you guys. Alright. Here, we're gonna start now and enjoy watching. We will be making grilled chicken a la Mang Inasal. Our ingredients will be 1 kilo of chicken, pepper, salt, ginger, lemon, cloves of garlic, vinegar, and brown sugar. Okay, first we wash our chicken and we'll make sure that it's dry by using a clean paper towel. So we can absorb all of our ingredients once we marinate it. We will put in like 1 cup of vinegar to our chicken. And we will put 1 lemon to it. We will add like a teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and we will like smash like a tablespoon of cloves of garlic. also add 1 cup of brown sugar. And we will put like a thumb of ginger just to counteract. Okay, we will slice our ginger. It's just to remove any, fishy taste in our chicken. Smash it to our ginger so we can get the juice to our chicken. And our mystery ingredient is 1 to 2 tablespoons of fish oil. Okay, just make sure that when you marinate our chicken, you remove the seed from the lemon, because if you cook the seed by accident, it tastes bitter, so make sure you remove it. Okay, we wash our hands so we can mix all together the ingredients. All the ingredients well to the chicken. It's like you're massaging the chicken. Next, we will put our chicken in a Ziploc bag and refrigerate it for like an hour. Okay, now we will grill our chicken. First, we need our basting. We did put in the microwave for like 30 seconds, 1/4 cup of butter, and then we mix in 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of anato powder just to add color to our chicken. And then we will combine the butter and this anato flavoring. Now we will grill our chicken. We turn on our power griller. It's an indoor grill, and we set it to 350 degrees. Okay, now we will start to put in our chicken. You know, it's always nice to have an outdoor grill because charcoal is really best for grilling. The indoor grill, just use it if you don't have any choice. Takes time to do outdoor grill, and you have to set up everything too. Now we will put some sauce to our chicken. We will let it cook until it's golden brown. Now that it's already 15 minutes, we will turn our chicken on the other side. We can use a tong to do it, or just this one, it's fine. Okay. Turn it on the other side already, and then we will baste this side too with our sauce. Now our chicken is still grilling, but in order for this one to be fully cooked, we can put it inside the oven. So that's the easiest technique that we can do, especially if we're running out of time. Like yours truly, I have to go to work after this one. Okay, so we will do that. We will put this inside the oven for like 10 minutes. Here's the taste test of our grilled chicken inasal.
Inasal. Let's taste. It's so yummy.
How was it?
Good.
Here's a taste test of our chicken inasal.
How was it? It's good. It's juicy.